But don't make it spill. Wait, the water didn't spill at all. What happened to it? It would go differently. Up and down. Yeah, cool guys. Welcome to Jessie and Jess. Boys and girls, today we're gonna make science experiments. Are you ready? Great. First, we need a Ziploc bag of water. Yes, Sarah. Morning. Have a step. Morning. Now we need food coloring. No, that's not. Let's switch. Don't smash it. Ooh. I want blue. I'm a blue. I'm blue. Oh, yellow.
Yellow?
That's orange. All you need is a grown-up to help you open it. No, just not a molar. Oh. What? Look at it. Wow! Oh, that's so cool. Is that cool, boys and girls? I have the color blue. This is the color blue. Yes, this color blue. Look at my hand is also blue. This is the color blue. Ah. Hello. Orange. Wow! My leg is yellow. This is orange, not yellow. Now I'm more for color, but this is better. You want switch? You're blue? You're blue? Oh, they want yellow. Yellow. Okay, I like blue. Ooh. The blue is your favorite color. Now we need the pencils. A little still enough. First, we need a grown-up to hold the Ziploc bag. And then, wow, gently, but don't make it spill. Wait, the water didn't spill at all. What happened to it? It would go differently. Up and down. Yeah, cool guys. Okay, now the opposite way. Whoa! Ah! Just spilled a little bit, not a lot. Wow! That was all dripping over and over, and then blue. You have to ask a grown-up to help you. You're gonna have a spill everywhere. Glad. You can do with my pencil. Oh, you need to ask Amma. Yeah, spilled. Amma spilled. You are so good at this poison. You just have to squeeze it. Reality. You just have to squeeze. It's mine. these colors. I don't do these because this is mine. Oh. Can I try the next one? This one. Okay. Oh. I'll try the other, all of them because you are so little. Okay. Ooh, the water didn't spill. It's your turn. Ah! Liquid boys are good. Definitely no. Definitely come in, Joey. Oopsies. Guys! Guys! What even happened to this? Okay then. Jubla. Jumala. Ziploc bags are made of a polymer. Polymers are long chains, act like cereal molecules. When you poke the pet cylinder to the bag, the molecules split apart and then make themselves a temporary seal around the pencil. Throw your heart in the water. See, is this cool? Then it's gonna come out. And you chew it. Okay, see?